How to use Snapchat on laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now you can access Snapchat on your laptop using two primary methods. The first one is using the Snapchat for web. Open your laptop's web browser and then go to web.snapchat.com. Sign in using your Snapchat username and password, and you can then chat, send snaps, and view stories directly in your browser. You can go ahead and tap on this Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Tap on account settings. This will take you to the new page where you can go ahead, view stories, open Spotlight, chat, use lenses, and also go for Snapchat Plus. You can access your data, Snapcode. You can also manage your contacts, your ads, apps, your sessions, even change your password or delete your account and log out. Keep in mind that some features such as camera and filters might not be available. So for that, you can use an Android emulator. You can go ahead and download and install an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Open the emulator and log in with your Google account, and then download the Snapchat from the Google Play Store within the emulator. Once installed, log in and use Snapchat as you would on your phone, with access to all the features including the camera. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.